Little black boy told the judge, "I'm my mom's lawyer." Then something unbelievable happened. The courtroom was packed, tension thick in the air. On one side sat Evelyn Carter, a single black mother, her hands trembling as she clutched a stack of eviction papers. On the other side, her wealthy landlord smirked, flanked by his high-priced legal team. The judge cleared his throat. "Mrs. Carter, where is your attorney?" Before Evelyn could answer, a small voice rose. "I am." All eyes turned. Standing beside her was a boy, her son, Marcus, barely 12 years old, dressed in an oversized blazer and tie he must have borrowed. The courtroom burst into whispers. The judge frowned. "Young man, this isn't a game. Sit down." But Marcus didn't. His jaw tightened, his voice firm. "No, Your Honor. My mom couldn't afford a lawyer. So I studied. Every night. Every law book I could find at the library. And I'm ready." The courtroom went silent. Even Evelyn looked stunned, tears welling in her eyes. The landlord's attorney scoffed. "This is ridiculous. A child can't possibly," Marcus cut him off. "Actually, sir, according to Section 12B of the State Tenant Code, my mom has the right to represent herself. And she has the right to let me present on her behalf. It's unconventional, but it's not illegal." The judge raised an eyebrow. He could have shut it down right there. But something in the boy's eyes, that mix of fear and fire, made him pause. "Proceed," he said finally. What happened next no one expected. Marcus approached the stand with his notes. His hands shook at first, but then his voice grew steadier. He quoted laws, pointed out inconsistencies in the landlord's documents, and even highlighted violations in the building's maintenance records: mold, unsafe wiring, ignored complaints. The opposing lawyer tried to trip him up with questions. Marcus fired back with case precedents he had memorized, flipping through his notebook like a seasoned litigator. The courtroom, which had started out laughing, was now silent. Judges, clerks, even reporters leaned forward as the boy dismantled arguments one by one. Finally, Marcus turned to the judge, his voice breaking with emotion. "My mom works 2 jobs. She pays rent on time. She raised me alone after my dad died. We're not asking for special treatment. Just fairness. If we lose our home, we have nowhere to go. But if the law means anything, it should mean people like my mom matter too." The judge looked down, visibly moved. He adjusted his glasses and turned to the landlord's attorney. "I've heard enough." The gavel slammed. Case dismissed. The eviction is void. Gasps filled the courtroom. Evelyn covered her mouth in shock as Marcus wrapped his arms around her. The landlord stormed out, his arrogance crushed. Reporters rushed forward, cameras flashing. The boy who walked in as a joke had just walked out as a hero. And from that day, Marcus wasn't just Evelyn's son. He was remembered as the boy who dared to stand up in court, and won.